welcome to the price of patience. Welcome back, everybody, and welcome again to the price of patience, where the price of patience is always going to be cheaper than the price of regret. Tonight, we are trading the same thing we always trade, taking over the same world we're always trying to take over. Hope everybody's been well. How's everybody doing? Doing great, I hope. Okay. First and foremost, we got to do a little PA. We got to build a trading plan. We have to stick to the plan. Let's figure out the circumstances of the session we are trading. It looks like a range. Are we back in a range, ladies and gentlemen? Well, we won't find out looking at the 1 minute. Let's go to the daily. All right. Let's eliminate the echo. Okay, perfect. So if we look at the daily chart, as we should, we are seeing, yep, we are still below that 31, what's that, that 61.8, that 38.2 fib, which means we're no longer bullish, are we? Hate to say it. We got up to 680 on QQQ today and kind of peaked above. We looked above and failed, as they say, meaning that FOMC did give us a nice little bounce, but it amounted to a nothing burger, right? So here we are coming towards the 50% mark of the fib to the 650s. What will tonight's session hold in store? I think we can get rid of this. It's gone. Poof. Okay. What do we have here? We are below everything. We're far away from the EMAs. All right. The daily is pretty clear. We want to come to pretty much the low of the last session around 656. We actually dropped as low as 653, if I'm not mistaken. All right. What is the low there? I beg to differ. After hours, we came even lower. So I guess we'll see that once we zoom in. Let's go ahead and zoom in, starting with my favorites, 4 hour. All right, the 4 hour will tell us tales of what is to come. First, we're going to back this up. All right, we need more data, as now that we're in a downtrend that is so far from the other end of this thing, we have to kind of go back and look. Okay, so what's the big magnet that's pulling on us here? Looks like we have. Okay.
Okay,
Welcome to the
hey,
stream.
welcome. Good morning. I'm so sorry, bro. Looking fresh. Oh, ho, ho. That's
Yeah,
good.
yeah. Okay. I got spiders that just decided to come. Jump. They think I have spiders that are identifying as cats. You know how cats like to just come on your keyboard. Yeah, these spiders think they're cats. They just like to come and
The keyboard.
crawl on my keyboard.
Okay.
Yeah, you're not a cat, but they learn that the hard way. And I guess in their next life, maybe they'll be a cat. I'm praying for them.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
How are
yeah.
you
Welcome
doing,
to
bro?
the show. Yeah, everything's going good. Just in the midst of a wait. Am I in the midst of a little TA? I should be sharing my screen. Yep, I'm
You are,
sharing
yeah.
my screen.
Okay,
Good,
I'm
good,
sorry.
good.
Did not want to interrupt. Go
Oh
for it.
no, you're fine. You're fine. So yeah, welcome Nick to the stream. All right, we're back in full effect. Um, we are just kind of going over the 4 hour now, right? So we're trying to figure out what is our target for the session. And I have to be honest, it looks like there is an upwards target that we have not hit yet. We are going to come and revisit 674 on the Qs. Right now we're at 665. That's a nice little pump. So we do have a pump that we're looking for in this session. I think we are going to see it tonight. So, okay, where does this coincide with? We need to figure out where on NQ does this coincide with? We're talking about 674. Okay, let me zoom in. Just kind of see. I see like these. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anywhere between 674 and 675. But I'm not afraid to just call it 674 flat, even though there's a little more going on. So I'm going to look for this consolidation on the 4 hour, and that is going to be our target. So let's zoom out here on NQ and just figure out what is the number that equates to the QQQ equivalent, so we can make sure we have all of our ducks in a row and our data together. Okay, so we're looking at really the bottom of this consolidation stack for the Qs on NQ. That is just 27, 6, 27. Okay, currently we're at 27, 4, 89. We're not asking for a lot. We're talking 140 points. That's barking up, a tree that has definitely been barked up before. Are we talking about the same thing though? Is that, let's see, let's double check. It doesn't seem like much. Doesn't seem like much, but yeah, that's what we're looking for. Geez, so that's 10 points. Something seems off, but maybe it's just me. Okay. So yeah, we're just looking for a little push. I seen familiarity. All right, it's the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour. Okay, we have this structure. And is it not that consolidation? It's this consolidation. It really is. Well, I'm a little bit in disbelief because it just doesn't seem like a lot. We're not asking for a lot. It seems like we're lower here than we are there. We're looking for like kind of the top of this little wick situation going on. Yeah. Yeah, it's really right there. Okay, cool. So I mean 27.8, maybe 27.8 80, 27,880. That would be a good target. If we get there, I'm happy to short that. But this is, you know what? Did we? No, no, no. Okay, let me think. This candle started at 10. This candle started at 6. We've only had these two candles. All right, so I'm just making sure in this session we did not actually touch that. This is the FOMC candle from New York's close. And in this session, we have not revisited that. So we do need to revisit this before we can really drop. So I'm looking for a pump. I want to see us pump up to 27, the 27,800, really 27,880. All right, so now how are we going to get there? Let's look for an hourly view of this whole thing. Okay, let's do the same here. Let's go ahead and switch over to the hourly view. Okay, now where are we on the hourly? Okay, so on the hourly, it's really the same thing, right? We have, this is the biggest magnet pulling us up. If once we get above and close above on the hourly, once we close above this 668 area, then we're headed to our target. So if we just switch to the hourly, once we close up here, it looks like we already did. Am I tripping? No, 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 no. Okay, yeah, we did close up there. So weird. Okay. We should be looking for our way up, but we dip back down. Hey, I guess we're going to get some more liquidity. We need to see some volume come in on these lows, and there's not a ton of volume in that. Okay. Just kind of scoping this out. I'm really trying to figure out, when the market's going to make this move. Okay. 15-minute. Let's do the 15-minute. Market's going to defy gravity. There's going to be a bunch of things pulling it down, and yet we're going to go up. I don't think there's any new catalyst since market close. We had the FOMC where a lot of people were expecting a surprise a rate hike, but it didn't happen. That sentiment drove the market up, and then the market came right back down way further, and it went up all day. Uh, Created one of the most volatile opportunities we've seen in a long time. That was an amazing trade if you caught the top, and there was some clear signals at the top. Some of these levels we talked about yesterday. What did we say? 2880, 28,080. We said in yesterday's session. So if you just listened to us yesterday and left the order there, man, did you cook? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 2880. That would have been the biggest trade I'd ever take. That's not no, I've taken a bigger trade, but that's 900 points. It's a ton of points. All right. As soon as we hit this level, which is another level we talked about at 27,200, we started to make a base and bounce. I don't think that this level is to be taken lightly. We'll talk about it. But right now, uh, I really think that we need to go along until we get up here. 27. Yep. 27 9. I'm forgetting where it was before, but okay. We're looking for longs. It's just not if, but where we're looking for these longs. Okay. Okay, yeah, 27 980. Just making sure because I'm like, it's been a long day. It's been a long day. All right, cool. So now we can really just look for our entry, look for a trade. Let's go ahead and just drop down to the 5 minute on the cues, and let's understand what we're looking at so we can find what we're into. Now we are okay, we're really gravitating towards this area, which is right where the 21 S and EMA is. And if we do drop down, we could come as low as 659, which is right in line with the bulk of the consolidation from after hours. We could just bounce off of that, and that could take us to the high that we're looking for. Okay, the 674. Um, yeah, I feel like on the 5 minute we have 668. It's a big magnet. And then we have on the downside, okay, 663. And then it starts to get a little harder, but once we approach these lows, it's very low volume, so you can start to see price moving fast unless we consolidate and we increase the volume around here, then we'll start to see price moving more steadily and trend like we like to see. All right, but right now we're in this big bulk, where honestly price can go in. There's a lot of magnets, and you know what happens when something metal is between two magnets. They're just going to pull at it. It's going to go back and forth. We could really consolidate and bounce around here, and then the breakout's going to be the win. I'm gonna be in the camp that we need to be bullish and get this 674 because the top volume is stronger than the bottom volume in this zone. So I would like to see us touch the top first, and then we can just do a continuation and start to grind away at these lows. So that's my forecast. That is the main forecast. You know, if there's a bull case, like God forbid the market is just so happy that we didn't hike rates, then we're just gonna target the high of the session at 680. Maybe we get an overnight Truth Social post. I don't know. So that's what I got. A little long winded, but what are you
Mm.
thinking over there, my guy?
Just listening to you. And actually, yesterday I haven't even paid attention this much to the FOMC thing. And then late afternoon after the FOMC, around the market close, I looked at the chart. I was like, what? What just happened here? So let me just share my screen quickly, but it's gonna work. There we go. Uh, I'm thinking that interestingly enough, all the levels that we were discussing, they were hit. FOMC, no FOMC, volatility, no volatility, everything was pretty much hit. Even with that pump on FOMC, we rejected in the zone that we marked on the chart that we have marked, that I had marked. Um, so yeah, I'm not sure right now what to expect. I still have. You said what is your lower level target? 27.
27.2. It's the low of the session, pretty
Just
much.
okay, because I have 27,030.
27,000.
Another
Okay.
another naked weekly point of control here.
So, oh
Uh,
yeah, I can swap to your screen real quick.
you can, yeah, I mean you can, but this is and this is basically just playing out what we said yesterday, what we said 2 days ago. So I have nothing really much to add. We have this liquidity pool here. We can come down a nice confluence with 27. These two naked weekly point of controls. We still have this high volume node at 27 will be the key, I think, if to hold us. If it doesn't hold, then we are coming definitely down to what we said, 25K. And this is just how it's playing out. I don't think I want to rush today because yesterday we did quite good. So let's see, we have still this huge 1 hour candle. Will we gonna come higher, maybe feel some more of this candle, or are we preparing for another dump? I'm not sure, but look at those candles straight down, 15-minute fair value gap,
Mhm.
and that gap. Funnily enough, look at this. This gap is right in between the zone that we marked yesterday.
Mhm.
That's interesting. So I'm gonna mark this one, and I'm gonna wait and see what FVG, what it wants to do, what the price wants to do. Why am I not marking this fair value gap here on 15 minutes? Because 1, 2, 3, they have to be same color candles. Uh, I'm able to mark a little bit less fair value gaps like that. And this is just how I do. Since this was the green candle and then the red, I don't want this green candle. I want to yeah, I don't want this fair value gap. I want the fair value gap that is formed with three candles with the same color. Um but yeah, other than that, really, I don't have much to say, to be
Okay.
honest. I'm not sure. Um 90 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah, I don't see any. 4 hours is starting to have this multiple momentum waves trigger and big green dots. So bottom could be closing in, but this does not look like a bottom yet.
Mm,
Structure wise, market cipher wise, it just doesn't look like the bottom yet.
mm.
Uh, yeah, I think we will come a little bit lower. Maybe this session, maybe on the New York, maybe tomorrow. But I don't see this being a bottom. No. Will we maybe scalp a little bit? You said what was your upside target for
What's up?
now, like local?
27, like 27.9, 8, 27.9,
Yeah.
90 or 980, 27.980.
Mm-hmm.
Same as
Mm-hmm.
yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I think we're just gonna revisit 27,980.
Yeah,
Just to wrap it up.
yeah. I
Top of this
mean, why
stuff.
not? Why not?
Yep. Yep. So, but of course, I think it's going to happen very similar to how it did yesterday, where we're kind of in a downtrend now on the smaller time frames. Once we break that trend line, we're going to be looking for, a continuation up. We just got to find our entry towards the bottom and, just hold it to the top.
Hmm. Okay.
All right. That's what we're looking for. So, until then, just got to find the right entry. We got to make sure that we are breaking the trend line. Like right now, it looks like we're trying to break out, but it also could just be a bear flag. So
Yeah,
I'm
could be. Yeah, on 5 or 15 or which
hmm
time?
yeah,
Yeah,
5 minute right now.
yeah.
So
I agree. I agree. But there are bull divs, slight bull divs on 5 minutes. So this might go with what you said. We are coming up,
hmm
um, and then dump. So have that in mind. Higher lows on the momentum, lower lows, slightly lower low on the price action here. Um,
yeah.
RSIs here they are spread apart, but here stochastic stayed up at the 50 line on market cipher B, where regular RSI came all the way down, and now they are trying to bounce. So interesting structure. Not sure what to think about this thing, but yeah, I'm not sure what to think about that. But on a momentum, we definitely have slight bull divs.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see, it's a kind of crossover situation going on. It's a lot going on the momentum waves, the money flow. Let me look at the MACD as well. Got Ninja Trader here. And we'll go to I got two different setups I like to look at. So this one is just on my tablet. Yeah, there we go. Get that going. And sure, this is gonna. Oh, here we go. Oh, good man, Los is in the building. What's going on, Los?
What's up? What's up?
Hello.
Okay, yeah, I'm looking at the MACD and I'm not seeing any divs on the MACD. The MACD has been surprisingly non-divergent lately. It's moving average convergence divergence. The divergence hasn't been around lately. It's been very convergent. So haven't gotten a lot of clues from that. Um, Not a lot of sneaky stuff going on, but right now we are respecting the 9 EMA. So I mean, your average trader is just going to go short right here. Um,
But we are nothing compared to an average trader.
because we're bouncing into the 30s. Um, we're bouncing into the 30s, and eventually we're looking for a break of this trend line. We're looking for pretty much a repeat of yesterday's overnight, session. I don't know why history is repeating itself like this, but I'm not really trusting I'm not trusting the downtrend. I see every reason for us to go back up. Now I'm seeing something new though.
Mm,
There's
change.
dynamic VWAP on the 15 minute that's around 27,780. So I do see a possibility of us just kind of going
Just
to touch VWAP and then rejecting.
is what kind of VWAP? Just the VWAP, or
It's a dynamic. It's like a 15-minute VWAP because there's
okay, yeah,
VWAP
yeah.
that's static no matter what time frame you're
Okay,
on. It's time.
I just open normal VWAP,
Yeah.
and we are at it right now. So, but the session is still young, so let's see. But we dipped below,
hmm
and right now we are just retesting it to potentially reject. But this could have also been like a fake out, and we can reclaim it and go higher if we want, if that 5 minute bull div wants to play out. Just FYI, heads up. Other than that, really, I don't have. I want to see something session volume profile while I'm still on the screen. Oh, and we are actually 27, let's say 27, 580 is previous session or yesterday's value area low. Um, we tried to reclaim it, we failed, we came down, we came lower. If we reclaim 27, 580, I think we will definitely have the squeeze. Where is my point of control? At least 27, 9, like perfect confluence with what you said
Mm-hmm.
about um, targets to the upside.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, point of control at 27.9 and then value area high of the day at 28K. Mm,
I see it now. I made an indicator for Tradebait that's kind of showing me the previous session levels and all that
nice.
stuff.
So what did we say yesterday that was gonna happen? You guys
Yeah,
remember?
Oh yeah, it happened.
we remember. Chet, do you remember what Carlos said? What Donovan said? What?
Remember
Well,
where
they
I
said it. They called it. I don't want to be in. They called it. I did not. I was scalping on 5 seconds, so I did not even look at the bigger picture. But,
listed?
yeah. I mean,
You guys see what I mean? Why I tell you I respect the 200 EMA so much. I
mhm.
think I said 102, and then I believe it came to 100, like 2 points
Yeah,
away from,
yeah.
and then from there it just had that nasty drop.
Bro, like right where we said 28,080, right there. I was
Yes,
just
sir.
it was the perfect top. If you just left the order overnight, you cooked the biggest meal that you've ever cooked in your sleep.
Shit.
Yeah. And you
Goodness.
don't. And then you probably heard us. You probably heard Donovan saying that while you were lurking here and you did not even say good morning. You can be ashamed of yourself.
Mm-mm. Don't be rude. Say good morning.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
did. You guys didn't hear me.
Oh, Lord. I mean,
Yeah,
yeah,
we can hear you.
yeah. Yeah, man. So we're looking for a good place. We're looking for this thing to break the trend line. Just break the trend. I mean, it's kind of doing it, but I'm not going to count the flag. So I want to see us break out of this flag to a surprising upside, or just show me something I can count on so I can get a nice trade in and go heavy. And y'all know
Yeah.
what's the trade, you know?
Heavier. Hey, heavier. Yeah. Um, can I ask you now just to switch the screen, please?
Oh yeah, yeah, I got you.
If you haven't, yeah, please. So I log in actually, so I can make a trade if we see something.
All right, all switched.
Thank you very
But
much.
Carlos, you got to get ninja, man. We got to get you on. We got to get your setup on. You've been cooking lately, and
Yeah,
no one can see
I
what's
mean,
happening.
Um, now that I'm going home,
oh, he will be cooking
I
on
gotta
the
see.
laptop
I
on
don't
the
know, bro. Uh, I might, I might not even join some session, bro. I mean, I'm not, bro. I just got the info for my other job. I'm gonna start, and freaking, they want to start at. Well, I mean, they don't want to. They're no, they're already going with their stuff, and they're starting at 5 in the morning, bro. So
oh
it's gonna be tough.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get some rest.
Yeah.
It's
Plus,
cool. Carlos might lead the NY session or something.
yeah, we might do that.
at
We
work,
might do that.
while at work, man.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you
I
won't be trading
know.
on the job. They're gonna be like, that guy Carlos always on his phone.
Oh man, yeah. I'll figure something out. Stuff.
Man, how you gonna get rich if you're always working?
Man,
You
I know,
should be
right?
working with them metaverse glasses, goggles, Google glasses, how they are called.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
I
mail.
definitely. I
Apple Vision,
honestly,
Apple Vision. Yeah.
yeah, I want. I definitely want to get some Meta Quest to trade on. That's definitely on my to do list.
You mean this goggles or
Yeah,
how the VR. Yeah,
yeah, the VR, trading on VR, you have as many screens as you want. Put them
bro.
wherever you want.
I wasn't even thinking about it, and then I saw Mark use them, and then I went to see a review, bro. It's legit. Sounds. It looks interesting. It could be very interesting.
Yeah, what a way to trade. You over here like tapping your
Yeah,
VR screen to
yeah.
enter a trade.
Punching the air.
Oh man. Oh my goodness. You think it's hard to get me out of bed now? Wait until I'm VR trading. But price is not doing anything exciting now. We need to see a breakout of this, whatever this is, and then we can make it happen. But until then, chop, chop, chop.
Chop city. Chop, chop. Yeah. Yeah.
So my question is always when we're consolidating is have we touched an 80 or a 20? And lo and behold, guess where the bottom of all the candle bodies are in this consolidation? Yep. You guessed it. Huh. An 80. Yeah. It's
Oh,
Hey,
80. Imagine that. And
I
you
just
guess where
opened
the
up my
top of
chart.
it is. Yep. What's that? The top of it? Yeah, you're right. It is at a 20. Huh. That's crazy. How'd you guess?
who would have thought, huh?
Yeah. It's almost like there's mystical power in the 80s and the 20s.
Yeah.
I opened up my chart. First thing I see, some type of looks like a little head and shoulders. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I see it. I see the head and shoulders could bring us back down to the bottom of the session again, or to Nick's 27. You said 2702.
Oh 03, 2730,
Mm-hmm.
I believe. Well, let me check.
27.
Yeah, 2730.
Gee, that's a nice way to go.
Yeah. Yeah. So I mean, it's funny what the market did the other day when it was smack dab in the middle of my two levels is it went to both of them. Yeah. So who knows which one it'll go to first, but it can go to Nick's level and then my level, or it can go to my level and then Nick's level. But the market lately has been answering all prayers
Yeah.
if you just hold on long enough. So which tells me this is a scalper's market, or you just got to be patient, catch the top of the range, catch the market in a place where it doesn't belong, at the right place at the right time, and exploit, 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 repeat.
And just put it in your pocket.
Put it in your pocket, scalp that thing. Now, if you ask the 5 minute on the cues, the 5 minute says that we are about to pump on the MACD. The MACD says that there's bullish momentum.
Okay.
Do you trust the MACD? The 15 minute. The 15 minute begs to differ. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Did we
Well,
break out the trend yet? Not yet. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
no, nothing. I tried a small long. Uh,
I like the idea of longs here.
yeah,
Coming
no,
to an 80, but I'd like to see that 80
about
first.
80. Yeah.
All right. So boom. I'm in at the 80. See if it holds or if I'm just gonna get eaten alive here. So far, I'm in at 81, so I'm up, but oh no. Could this be the candle that breaks through the 80s?
It could be. Considering we had consolidation higher at 540s, 30s. We just failed to break out from the flag or pennant, and we came down. So
Hmm.
Once I see a 15-minute candle close below 463,
yeah, and we are down.
uh, we're coming down. Or I'm gonna just
Mm-hmm.
towards.
It's
Yep.
dropping.
Yeah, we broke through the 80s for the second time. So any
We got
pullback
2 minutes.
is, yeah, short any pullbacks to the upside.
Oof, the Dodgers
Uh,
pulled it off for me there.
We could drop a good 150 points. So it looks like we are going to the low of the session from here. Once we break out a buck 50,
What is the low of the session?
200. Yep. Perfect. 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 Guess we broke right through the 80s. That's something else.
Let's go.
Gonna get a push up for me to enter my short. It's gonna be a good short, but I'm trying to think where would I, if I'm priced, where do I want to come and say
Damn.
hello to real quick before I make this drop?
I put a limit order, bro, and I don't know why it just automatically filled me if I put a limit order like not I didn't even put it there. Uh,
You didn't want that price, but you're in at that price. Ooh, 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 I like this. I like this. 70. Can I get 73? I'll take it. Okay, I'm taking this. Yeah, that's pretty cool. The trend is your friend. Or so I've heard. I've heard so many good things about this friendly trend. Yeah, it's not always so friendly to my P&L, depending on where I enter at. So
well, we closed that 15-minute right at my level, bro. Well, not right, but a little bit, a few points above it, so that we could possibly come bounce up again.
yeah, it's being defended. The level is being defended for sure. Trying to see if are we gonna reject back into the 80s or nah.
But if this 15-minute candle is a 1-2 to break, it's not even gonna make any pullback. It's just I'm just gonna go.
Oh, good. I'm doing the take profit account. I forgot. Okay, okay. Yeah, we're well into the 80s. Looks like we're going back to the top of this. Are we? Yeah, we might be going to the 20s. Short squeeze.
Big time.
That's what's up. I went long for the short squeeze because I'm just like, long long it. Boom. Okay, cool. I just took some profits on a scalp because it's all I felt comfortable doing. But I know it's going to 520 at least. All right, so let's go for another round of scalp. I'm back in. Go ahead. You know you want to go see what's up with them 20s. Oh, stop me out.
Oh,
Well, the outcome was income. I definitely made money on that. But sheesh.
Damn.
wow.
I didn't want to come.
Randa, good morning.
Good
Wait.
morning, Randall.
Says Trader sucks. What a ridiculous platform. Straightforward, huh? Straight to the point.
Yeah, trade debate is something, isn't it? What sucks about it today?
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay. What do we see happening? We're gonna so interesting circumstances and adjust. Let's see. Okay, so our target could be 59, which means once we break out of this flag, we're looking for the low of the session. Let's just find a place to go short. Let's take the obvious move. There's an obvious move here.
Mm-hmm.
And I think it's to go long right now. It sounds crazy, but right. Because why would we drop from here? I don't know. Am I going to find out the hard way?
Well, I mean, shorts. We're gonna come down. It's just a matter of when, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I do have three contracts to fill at 533. I don't know why, but I actually like it to come up there and fill my three contracts and then just dump. 'Cause I only have two right now.
533 would be great. I'm in longs at 485, and I'm expecting us to go to the 20s, kind of like you, but you've noticed that it does pop through the 20s like 10 points. So I like 533 for the short. Um, let's see what kind of behavior NQ has today. Nope,
I don't
you
know.
said straight down.
Mhm. I don't know. It's when I want to come fill us at all. New 5 minute, bro.
All right, we're breaking down. We're going to the 420s.
Mhm. Are they joking? My God, shaking head. Random. I don't know. I really don't know. Not
It's gonna
using.
be it right here.
I use TradeWeight only for prop firms, so and then I trade on TradingView. So I said it's working okay for me so far.
I'm pretty big on trade debate. I love it. I love it because a lot of times if you're prop firming it up and you trade on any other platform, there's a lot more lag. But Tradeovate, if everything else goes down, you can still get on Tradeovate. So um, if we can get into the 70s, I'll short this thing again. But I don't know. It just seems like it's trying to chop us out right now. All right. So
And the spread is not helping.
yeah, the spread. Is there a spread right now?
A little bit, I would say, yeah.
Yeah. 2 point spread right now is no good. All right. Okay. I'm in the short. I'm in the short, and I'm getting beat up a little bit, but nothing crazy. All right. Looks like we're about to cook.
Yep.
Okay. All right, Price. It's just gonna chop around until it finally decides to make the big move. But don't worry, we're already in. So when the big move comes, all we gotta do is just take profit. We don't gotta enter, it don't gotta hit my limit order. I'm already in there. So how many points are we talking? We can go all the way down to 200.
Okay, I closed it. I made I made 780 altogether on my funded now in few trades. I'm done.
Yeah, that's great.
7 8. Yeah, I don't
Nice.
want. Yeah, yeah, that's it.
That's amazing, actually. Yeah, Nick be going hard. He was quiet about that one too, bro. He ain't saying nothing. He like, yeah,
Yeah.
oh, man.
I went in a quite bad drawdown, so I was like, shit. And I managed to save it so good. And look at this drop now. Wow. Okay.
Is it dropping now?
Yep.
It's
Okay.
dropping. I'm
Okay,
already
let's go.
in. It's
Yep.
dropping.
Yep.
Nice.
Let's go. Wish I would have came to film my other three orders, but it's all right. I guess I'll take the two.
We'll have to take it, bro. It's okay. It's all right.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna let it drop. It's gonna go to
Going to 276.
yeah, I got my TP at 27,280.
Ooh, that's damn near me. So I'm very near you. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I'll take it. I'll take this nice miraculous big pointer. I could use a nice little win. So this is my funded account too. So I'm like, I need to rebuild it. I had it 700 away from a payout. Now I'm back at start. I'm back at 25K again. So
Oh man.
yeah, yeah. I'm glad I still got it funded, but yeah, I got pretty
Yeah.
close to not having it funded.
At least you gotta find it, bro. I'm still almost flat on my. Remember the account I bought? What was it like last week? I think Monday
Yeah,
or something like
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
I'm still on that account, and I'm only in profit like three. Well, with this, I'm up like probably 450 maybe, but that's all. My account's like at 14. I mean 50,000, maybe 500 at most. I haven't checked, but
Well,
yeah, I haven't
still
passed on
in
that.
profit though. There's a lot of people in drawdown. So hey,
Yeah,
count
but
your
I'm keeping
blessings.
it very like I only trade with you guys. I don't. I only the only trade I took it was that New York one that I told you guys like 2 days ago that I took like a
So
hundred
you want
something.
to say it's our fault?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
that's pretty much
Nick's
what he's
fault.
saying.
I don't
It's our
want to
fault.
say. I'm saying it. Nah, bro. I'm cool like this. I don't. Can you believe it, bro? I haven't even traded options. I have not traded options like in ever since I told you guys. I haven't really traded.
Me
I,
neither, bro. Like I don't remember when I took last option straight.
I'm the
Like
last options
weeks
trader
now.
in the team. That's crazy.
No,
no,
I
I'm
just took a
definitely gonna
break.
get back to it. It's just my job is
You
being
just been busy, yeah.
demanding right now. So yeah, that's fine.
I get it. I get it.
With
Listen,
stocks,
today was
man,
not the day.
I'd rather stay away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today was a great day to not trade. I was
Was it?
150 bucks and listen, bro, I called the top just like I always do. I called the top and
Let's
I knew
go.
price was going to 680 on the cues, and I was like, but I thought I saw 682. So it was right there at my first entry zone, and I said, no, I'll wait for 682. And though I was in profit, I let it go negative, waiting for it to come back up. And before I knew it,
Uh,
I was
Damn.
down 200 for the day. But had I just entered puts at the original zone, I could have got puts for $20 that went to $500.
Oh wow.
Oh shit,
Yes, I was
Oh.
like, today could have been my first 5-figure trading day,
Ooh.
but it wasn't, and I felt like it was supposed to be. But don't worry, it's coming. It's definitely coming.
for sure. Gotta come. It's gotta come.
Got to. It doesn't have a choice.
Mm-hmm.
We're not gonna give it a choice. So yeah, so we're breaking out of this bear flag, and we're bound to drop about 100 and some odd points from this bear
Yes,
flag.
sir.
So all we got to do is buckle our seatbelts and take the ride, not get shook out.
Yep. I haven't even looked at my chart, I'm I'm chilling.
Chilling,
What is
man.
March? I'm chilling. I'm chilling, bro.
I'm chilling, bro. Been a little while. Yeah, when you're funded, you just got to trade at least $100 a day in order to maintain an active status. Or I don't think that's the case for every single. I got to check that actually, because I have one funded that I've just been doing like a trade a day on, but it's like $10 away from being blown. And I'm trying to bring it back from the dead, just grabbing like $2-3 on a trade every day. So,
Mm.
until I get it back
Man,
over $20, and then grab a couple more dollars until I get it over 40. It's still my funded, so shit, I'll take my time with it. I don't care if I get $5 a day for the rest of the year. All right. It's still my account. I paid for it. So time I get a payout, it might be forever, but it'll still be a payout.
oh yeah, baby.
'Cause who knows how many PA fees I've freaking paid and got nothing for. It's crazy. But thanks to trades like this, we're gonna cook. Gonna cook. I'm pretty sure about this one.
A few
Pretty
seconds for the 15-minute close.
yeah. 84. Look left.
I missed my 10-minute time frame, bro. I know you guys don't use it, but I use that so much, and it's
Well, one of the greatest traders, futures traders in the world uses the 10 minute and the what was that, Nick? The 200 second? Two,
Yeah, 10 and 200, I believe, no?
10 minute, 200
10
second.
minute, 10 minute, and 200 second. Yeah, yeah.
mm,
Yeah. It's
yeah.
weird when you think about it that a minute is 60 seconds because unless you say it out loud, it's like you don't really think like 60 seconds. Like, why 60 seconds?
Mm,
You would think it'd be like a multiple of what it is a multiple of 10, but you get what I'm saying. It's like,
uh-huh.
what if a minute was 80 seconds? Everything would be different.
Yeah.
Did we lose someone? We sure did. All right, cool. Would your phone die or something, bro?
No, Donovan kicked me, bro.
Yeah, I had to get rid of this guy.
Yeah.
So we're talking about talking about
A
going
10
long.
minute time frame.
Going long. We're in shorts right now. You can't. I don't need that kind of negativity around me. All right, get out of here talking about going long.
Come on, bro. Let's go heavy longs right here.
Yeah, when me and Mark and remember King and Neil, the three kings and all that back,
Yeah.
we used to trade, and I used to always be the first one to call reversals. So everybody will be in shorts, and I'll be like, "I'm buying a long here." They'd be like, "Come on, Donovan, kick him out, get him out of here." Yeah, I could just see it coming, bro. I was right. I was right. Like, you know, um, yeah.
You're not serious about the long here, though, right? I know you're not.
Oh no, 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 I'm definitely not long right now.
Oh man, we just picked up volume heavy. Ah, crap. I wanted to come fill 3 more freaking contracts, bro. And
Yeah,
didn't.
we're
Damn
probably
it.
gonna melt through the 20s too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the 20s, it's gonna be a bounce zone. We're gonna bounce and then grab some more. No, no, we're gonna melt through these fucking 20.
We're going
Actually,
to out through
this left. This is the
Oh,
consolidation zone.
oh.
So to be honest, we're probably gonna consolidate here.
Mm, I see it, but we're very close to. I see it. I see it.
Yeah, you see how that breakout happened, and it took about.
We
And
have cool volume, though.
yeah, the volume is good. I mean, the right shoulder could be different. The right shoulder is very often different than the left shoulder, but you gotta keep in mind it took an hour for the breakout to happen here last time. So we'll
What
see.
did you say, Donovan? Sorry, your downside levels for Qs?
For the cues, we're looking at let's go to it. Yeah, yeah. Oh, we're okay. All right. Yeah, we got some. We're talking 659. 659 on the cues is the first target. So
Okay.
look there, 659. What does that coincide with? What time frame on the 5 minute? Let me look at it on the 15. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, around here. So right around that. Oh, there's a three candle area on the 15. That's perfect. Yep. So right about here. Yeah, right about 27, 321. That's the first,
Okay.
but definitely it's not if, it's when. And it won't be long. I'll tell you that much. Are we gonna chop now? Looks like it's gonna start to chop. It should
1 hour candle, 1 a.m. candle.
Oh, not the 1 a.m. I hope it just drops then. I hope they're like, oh, we want a piece of that low of the session. We want to see that.
That's a good call up, Nick. That the 1 hour candle closed below my 463 level, so that's a good thing.
Really good.
Really,
It's the shorts.
probably comes to pre-orders now.
Go play a game now. I'm not even worried about this thing. Game on my tablet. I was playing. I think we were trading one time, and I was short. I was playing Fallout. I haven't played that game in a while. It's fun.
Damn, I haven't played games in a long time. Did you ever play Modern Warfare W2? Modern Warfare 2?
That was one of my
Yeah,
favorite ones.
I did some a career mode online now. My brother was playing like Call of Duty online thing. I'm not good in that. I just suck.
Man, you say yes to that, Donovan, or no?
Oh yeah, I used to play. I played the zombies version of Call of Duty.
Oh, you played like Black Ops and all that?
Yeah, I played Black Ops. That's my shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I be online playing zombies, bro, till the sun comes up.
Like a zombie, huh?
Like a zombie. That's why I had to get rid of. I can't
Yeah.
have my ex girlfriend I dated had a PlayStation, and yeah, I told her keep that thing away from me because I'm gonna play my life away on that station.
Uh-huh.
It's like if
I
I,
remember.
if I studied charts like I studied Call of Duty, it'd be a whole different.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Price
I
came
was
one more order. Sorry, let's go ahead.
You added to it. You added to your position.
I had 3 more contracts to add, but it just came
oh
and it filled one, so I'm at 3. I was at 2. Only filled one at.
You're about to cook. Yeah, I
my
kind of want to add because I know by the time we get to my target, I'm gonna be like, oh, I could have doubled this, I could have tripled this, whatever, and
Uh,
got a payout. But I can only make $800 on this account, so there's that. That'd be 50% consistency. Okay.
Our bad, Randall. I closed the chat by accident. Says he was long at 452, but closed that off for 135 because I'm so paranoid with this trade rate. Well, okay, you close for the green. Maybe you know that. I don't know. How can you manage your open orders on the chart? You go
Oh
to
yeah. So
modules and screw around with that.
no,
Crazy.
there's a module. So the way that Tradeovate works is it has modules. So you go to this little plus section up here, and you go to orders. You just drag it where you want it, and then you can see your open orders. Like right now, I have the two that are working. If I want, I can double click it, and I can click modify, and I can adjust the price that it's at, and change it. And you can also make it a good till canceled or a good till the end of the session. I think that's what it is by default. So, yeah, that's how you do it. This little order tab is the best way. Otherwise, you can manually drag it on the side if you want to manually drag it like I did. Change my take profit because I have those orders, the ATM orders, the ATM bracket orders. That's what I be doing for real. But I switched it up. All right, Carlos, that was a good ad. I should have added with you right there. That was good.
Yeah, it would have been nice if filled all three though. I would have been at five, bro. Yeah,
We're here.
it was at 450, 453. I mean, sorry, 450,
It's just I'm
450, 125 to be exact.
I'm short at 471, so I'm like, when am I gonna get a good chance to add for real? I just keep thinking we're gonna come up to the 480s, but we might not see that again.
Oh, you got a better entry than me.
Yeah, 471 is not bad, right?
Hmm.
But
Yeah,
it just, is it gonna go all the way to the target without coming?
eventually.
It hasn't even really retested yet, so
408, bro. You gotta lose 408, and then we're
yeah,
gonna
exactly.
stomp it
That's what
down.
we need to break the 420s. Once we get under the 420s, it's a wrap.
The consolidation that you called out, that's the bottom of all that freaking chop.
Uh-huh. Okay, like 408.
Yeah, 408,
Okay.
and that's when we can get to that 276, 280 that you called.
Hmm.
Don, can you check last Randall's comment because I'm not sure I can help him.
Let me see here. Let me see here. What do we got going on? Okay, so you have a module. Okay, go to that. So got that. So you have to go to a module leaving your screen when you should be able to start. Simply move your TP and SL on the chart. Sorry, I traded on flying a jet. No time for modules. Hell yeah, Randall's out here flying a jet. What?
What
Oh,
the?
I heard. So you can actually drag, like, you see I have a take profit on here. I don't know where my stop loss is. Do I not have a stop loss? I don't know where
That's crazy, bro.
my stop loss. I am a risky individual right now. Is this my stop loss? No, that's the high of the session. Oh, damn, don't get me the line. I thought I put my stop loss at break even, but I might have deleted it. But yeah, so when you put them in there, you can go to the side and drag them. Like I drag this down, I can drag it up. That's if I'm doing it on a laptop. If I'm doing it on a tablet, I could still do that. It's just a little tougher to do it on a tablet, but yeah, it's definitely doable. Yeah, where's my stop loss? Yeah, bro, tell me about it. I just scared myself not having a stop loss. And you know what? I'm gonna do something that I would normally do by accident. I'm gonna put I want to add to my position where I would put my stop loss. Okay, everything's freezing on me right now. So there's this consolidation here that respected the 80s and 20s pretty well. It was like looks like a pennant that broke out to the upside. Really clean breakout on that pennant too. So are we gonna do the reverse of that or no? I don't think so. We're just gonna start printing red candles straight down. Um, yeah, let me get a stop loss, bro. Randall's right. What am I doing? What am I doing?
That's
Uh,
dope, bro. That he drives a jet while trading. That should be something on my bucket list. If I
yeah,
could ever drive a jet.
yeah. When I get wealthy off of trading, I won't say much, but there's gonna be signs.
That's sick.
Okay. So another thing I can do. All right. So I did put it. Okay. No. 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 Get rid of that. Yep. Modules. Let me go to orders here. Go to my working orders. I have a buy limit. Where's the 2-pack? Right here. Okay. So I want to change that to a 1. And look at that. Look how it's running back up. That's interesting. Okay. I'm going to change that to a 1. I cannot modify this order type because, okay. Right. I can't modify it because it's one of the orders that, just like with TradingView, like when you start something and you have like a bracket order, it's going to be equal to the amount of contracts that you originally put in. So
Oh damn.
that's kind of what's going on. Yeah, it's a nice little push right here.
Oh yeah. It just filled all my orders that I had. There's again.
Yeah,
Now my five.
just
Let's.
to add, we're at like the median, but we're still a strat too. So I'm wondering how close we're gonna get to the 90 in May.
Some cool volume came in, but
Yeah, I think we're just retesting the breakout because we're gonna kiss the bottom of the consolidation and then I think we can reject from there.
uh,
Risky, but I think I want to add here.
well, I did already.
Yeah, you
I,
risky.
Order filled.
Oh, that
I
was perfect ad. Hell yeah. Okay,
oops.
not perfect. It could have been more perfect. Ouch.
Damn. What?
Yeah, about that. About that. What am I doing? Am I at 5 right now? Or is that, I don't know what's happening.
Stop filled.
I mean, I got that, but
Damn, bro. What the? I'm gonna add.
So, yeah.
yeah, my screen froze, so I don't know what's happening right now.
All right.
Rambo said like he tried trade C and what a dream to trade, but you need rhythmic. Yes, and I said the same thing. I bought one prop firm. I traded it. I mean Apex with rhythmic, and I traded on trade C, and I liked it better. Yep, but then I just couldn't use TradingView for charting and executing there, so I decided to go with Trade But yeah, I prefer trade C too, if I'm honest.
Oh, that. Well, it looks like as of now that you know how when that 5 minute new candle starts and they make that nasty push and then they just bring it right back down.
That's what's
Mm-hmm.
happening. Allegedly.
Like that's what happened. It seems as of now.
Yeah.
Allegedly, that's what's happening.
I'll be right back, guys.
Hmm. Yeah, if I had a stop loss, I'd be stopped out. But I've been having trouble adding stop loss for whatever reason. I don't know what happened.
I'm not gonna. I have another two contracts to add if it hits 484.
Oh, this is my funded account. What the hell am I? I'm trading without a stop loss on a funded account. Is crazy.
I mean, in a way, I think it's just like the confidence you have in that this thing is coming down. Maybe
Yeah. You ever lost an account because you had a bias of what direction the market's going?
for the lost the last time before this one, it did what I thought. It just came to run 10 more, 20 more points or something like that before. Well, I mean, after it took me out, and then it just dumped
Yeah, pretty much.
so hard after that, bro.
Like it's gonna take everybody out and then it's gonna dump.
We're holding this level. This is my I got this 463 level. So as long as it holds this one, we're good. Oh no.
Wow. Yeah, we really thought we was cooking with that. They said, psych.
I mean it's just gonna come make a let me see if I'm gonna say it right. Our lower high.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I think you're right. That's what we're doing right now. But if we break the trend line, then red alert, you
Oh,
know,
got some room for the trend line.
oh, this is bad.
Oh,
Okay, really bad. I gotta get out of this. I'll re-enter,
Order
but
filled.
back.
they got me. They got me about to blow a fucking funded account. That's what they got me. Close that thing. Whoa. I
Got
was
two
up
more.
$100.
I'm being risky today.
I gotta size down some more shit now. Or actually, I'm gonna trade a different account because whoa,
Oh,
don't
look at
cost anything.
look at that 50 minute. Was that the morning star?
Let's see. 15. At 15, we looking good. We can come kiss the 9 EMA. 15. Yeah, I'm staying out of this for now.
I
I'm gonna
got filled.
breathe, I'm gonna just breathe for a second because the buyers are really aggressive. I don't like it.
Oof. I'm gonna blow my account on this one probably.
Do I want to participate in the short squeeze? Because these guys are squeezing the fuck out of shorts right now.
Shit.
Wow.
Oh damn, what's going on, bro?
I was late 10 seconds to enter.
Well, we're
Uh,
still respecting the trend line on the 15, but we're
Yep.
break out
Yep.
of the top. If we break out of the top, then we're going to that original target that I was talking about at 27.9. But yeah, either way, we're already like halfway through our stream, and I'm like, they're switching directions on us.
They are transitioning.
Yeah, I think I'll try it.
man,
I'll try
I'm
it because
X heavy.
it's
This is a 30 seconds trend line too, so this could be a rejection point. Let's see.
mm-hmm.
That was the top of the trend line. I'm at 7 contracts right now. See what happens.
Low said all or nothing today.
Yeah, the two that I told you at 484 got filled also. For sure.
That's cool. I just shorted with one micro with a 100 point target. So we'll see.
We can get that thing. I'll fill my account. Nah, I can't even fill my account today. I have to make have that for consistency thing.
Yep.
There we go. I'm in the green already. Nice.
Yeah, Mr. Seven Contracts. Go hard or go home.
Mr. Seven
I
Contract.
gotta go hard in this one because I'm gonna go to sleep in a few. I got
Yeah,
my
I
drive
feel that.
tomorrow. Going back to Cali.
Hey, that's what's up. Congrats on getting the job closer to your fam, though, bro.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
that makes me the happiest, bro. Yeah,
We are
thank you.
happy for you.
Thanks, bro. 357. I need 357 to make the 1500, and then I go to sleep. Where are we at? Oh, that's roughly an 100-point move from here. Okay, Donovan, we need that.
100. Yeah, I'm at 383 is my target. I'm short at 483, so I got a better entry than before.
Oh, beautiful, bro. Let's go. Okay, let's go to a 30-minute.
Wow. Okay, now it wants to push back up. That's rude. That's really rude.
Okay, we're coming down eventually, long run.
Are you going to turn for 8 contracts here?
If I'm only going with 8 contracts, no, I'm good with.
Short read. Oh no! Oh, come on, drop it. There we go. Nice. Nice. Come on.
Oh, we already broke out of the bottom of the bear. Don't be like that, NQ. Don't be like that, all right?
Order filled.
All right, cool. I have a stop loss now. So everybody should be proud of me. I'm trading with a stop loss. Let's go.
No, it did not stop me yet. Come on.
Yeah, if we
Well,
touch the 80s one more time, it's going to hurt. But we should be done with that.
yeah. Okay, I got stopped. Good morning, everyone, again.
83 on one account, 73 on
Where
another.
is the measuring tool, which is my lifeblood when positioning? TradingView is the most intuitive platform.
TradingView is great, but if you're in Italy, you might like Pro Real Time. Pro Real Time is great for
Stop
Europeans.
filled.
I would use it, but I'm American, so they don't let Americans trade. They want me to pay like $200 a month for live data over there for whatever reason. But Pro Real Time is great.
My bad, I got stopped again. Golly.
Yeah, I got stuck. I got
Ah,
crazy work. I'm not. So my funded account, I'm leaving that alone. I'm trading the eval. When I see a perfect easy setup, I'm gonna bring my funded account back to life. Till then, no touchy. I'd like to have a funded account tomorrow as well. So let me go to accounts and just see what is the lowest my account can even go to here. 24,830. So
there we go. There we go. Come on.
I'm $19 from blowing this thing. Yeah, I thought I was already too great. Stop me out and then just drop.
Yep.
It's hot.
Yeah, I'm sitting under with the 7 contracts because I'm the patient guy, so I have to go for honor that.
Oh my god, straight back.
It's crazy, moving crazy.
Bro, what am I doing, bro? No. Come on. Freaking trailing drawdown. Yeah,
Yeah, we're getting chopped. We're getting chopped right now. But I'm still in. I'm still in at 83. The 83 was a good entry. I like the 83. The 73, maybe okay. Come on. Come on.
Damn.
Seriously?
Okay, I'm gonna get away from the chart again. I want to look at this.
Smart choice.
That's one way to do it.
Yeah,
Bro, Los, do you not have a stop loss, bro?
I do, but see, I'll tell you where it's at, bro.
Oh God.
You want to hear it or not? Bro, it's all the way to 555.
Whoa.
Damn.
Uh, that's because you know why I put that stop loss based on the 15 minute. I'm zoomed out too much. That's fine. I'm gonna leave it there.
Wild boy. You're from the Wild Wild West.
Well, yes, I am.
I think this thing's gonna push, bro. It's crazy thing is why is it hanging out up here so much? It's either gonna push or it's gonna drop. I mean, it's gonna go up or down, but I know it's going to the right.
Yeah,
Look,
intraday
we
trailing,
got
Randall. Yes, I
three
got
minutes,
that
30
legacy account with trailing. Only that one account has intraday, not intraday, but how do you call it?
Yeah, yeah. Just
Intraday. Yeah, yeah, intraday.
throw down. What's
Crazy
the
smooth,
end of that?
and I just my account is green, but I don't even know where the drawdown is yet, so I have to be careful.
We should
Oh
move
my.
from down or up.
Up.
Yeah, I think it's going up, bro. I think it's going up. I really
There we go.
need to participate in the squeeze and just flip my position, but
I just did that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 8, 9. Okay, I'm out. I'm out.
I think this could
I
be a
made
good entry
back.
if we break the
Thousand, 1080 for okay, I'm done. How can I log this account now? No how. Okay, I'm done.
get out of there.
Get out of there. Get out of here. Good morning, dear people. Where are you watching from? What are you trading? If you're not trading, why are you not trading? Say good morning or good evening or good night.
That was a beautiful trade, Nick. Look at that.
Oh,
Look,
this was beautiful. Yes, yes,
look where
yes,
you would have
yes.
been.
Wow, but my heart rate now is at 115, 120.
Bad, bro, man. I bet, man. Fuck.
And they say trading is not emotional. Yeah, emotional damage.
Huh?
Man, okay, I'm on my third trade. Have I won any? Have any trades hit TP tonight? Not yet. Not one. It's crazy. They're dodging me, but I just went short. I went short at 85. Yeah, I can't afford to do another trade after this because I'm like fucking. I'm on the verge right now. I'm on the verge. Feel like I might have to take a like. I'm gonna take a day where I'm only paper trading tomorrow because yeah, this isn't it. I can't be out here blowing accounts, blowing funded accounts. No. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Patience, guys. Patience.
Okay, Mr. Seven Contracts, big stop loss.
Oh man, what did I say? Anything?
Oh my gosh. And Q's like, what'd you put in your pocket?
You must have put something in your pocket.
Damn, bro. Fuck. I don't like that we closed that 30 minute above my fucking level again. Man.
Reclaimed it.
Shit.
It's a fucking chop session, bro. We're getting might have just start scalping to get oh my gosh. As soon as I think of it. Can NQ read your mind?
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty sure you can read your mind.
What do you think? Why do you have to click accept, accept, agree before you start trading?
Right. Yeah, exactly, right? Why do I even you knew I was gonna accept it. It's crazy. Uh
I like this no more.
I was just about to
Come on,
scalp.
guys. It's chop.
Fucking
It's
man.
chop. It's chop.
Yeah,
Grand Rising. I'm watching from my TV. My phone is messing. I got to get another phone. Okay. Hello, Reverse. Welcome back. How are you doing?
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
But it's job. Okay, you know that sometimes on 1 hour, 1 a.m. candle we have the move. Sometimes it starts chopping, but this, if you ask me, if I had to bet, this will. And look at the 30 seconds, guys. This is perfect pennant, whatever. Money flow coming up. I think we might see a squeeze, another squeeze up. Um,
Yeah, we're trying to
yeah.
break that. We're trying to break that trend line right now.
Yes, and we rejected once, twice,
Yeah.
and now we are trying. I think we might have a squeeze.
Oh,
Let's
look at
see.
that. Look at that reject.
Ah, damn. NQ is going crazy, bro.
Yes, I'm
No,
sticking with it.
you remember what we said? NQ and markets. Like market is like never wrong. Your timing is so. As Carlos, patience. Let's see what is happening. Let's wait for some kind of structure because yeah, we came down to the bottom. We bounced. Now we have to see if we break out on the pullback. We go long. If we lose again this consolidation that we are making on 30 seconds, 1 minute, we can go short again. But this is the
Oh,
job.
okay. I just saw the. Remember when we started pushing up? Big volume came in. Though I was on a 1 minute, and huge volume came in, and then this is the same thing just happened with the volume, but to the downside. So it should be good. I mean, well, good for me. I don't know if you guys are in. And then 1 minute also kissed the 200 EMA, and then bam, smackdown. I'm just kidding, NQ.
She said, "Smack who?"
Uh,
Damn, this is attempting to break the damn trend line, bro.
It needs to get above the 14 SMA on the 15 minute to do that, but
Where's that? Where do you have that at? I haven't traded with those no more.
514.
Shit. Okay.
Yep, she
200,
done it. She has not done it.
200 EMA is at 510 on the 1 minute, and that's where it just rejected. Let's see.
I
Let's see.
mean, on the 15 minute, we're still respecting the trend line, so he hasn't broken it until she breaks above 514 and closes. We need a 15-minute candle close above 515.
No, I don't need one of those. I'm good.
Yeah, no, I feel you on that. As long as I don't get any more spiders who identify as cats, I'm okay for tonight.
Damn, bro, I'm down like 400. All of a sudden, I'm only down to 150, and then I go back to like, oh, damn. Shit, crazy. Selling contracts is not the deal.
Yeah, I think we're going to 520.
looks like it, but it's not done yet.
It looked like it a second ago, and then now it's,
Oh yeah,
it's fucking NQ, dog. Oh, man,
And
that's
Q does whatever she wants, whenever she wants.
oh,
Nobody can stop her.
shit. She's taking everybody's money right now, bro.
the
Except mine.
problem, yeah, around the problem is short and long. There is little movement in the trades. M morphos. Uh, no, I don't think these are the market makers. I think this is retail against retail. And even with stocks right now, you can see why is this so choppy lately? Because there is like a lot of small orders. There is no big buyers. Like they let with those laws or rules being changed. What month, 2 months ago, about the amount of money you have to have. I think we're gonna drop. By the way, uh, the amount of money you have to have on the account to be able to day trade. They made the markets be like a boxing ring for the retail traders. And why we go up and then we go down and then we go up, you think we're gonna break out, then we come down again, and so on. So just patience.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. I need that. I need that. I'm gonna scalp this. Give it to me. Yeah. Scalping it. What? You can't lose when you see green and you take green, you can't lose.
Uh,
Ah.
well, it seems like we are pushing, huh? Definitely a chop.
Nothing but chop, bro. It's crazy.
But we've seen that like a few weeks ago, we said that we might chop, and it chopped until New York pre-market. So the whole London did nothing, like a chop on a 30-minute time frame. And right now we are chopping only on 1 minute, maybe 5 minutes, right? Preparing the next move. We still have that bull div happening. We dipped lower, but we still have that bull div. We have a bear flag, a bull flag above the 9 and 14, like EMAs, SMA and EMA. Um, it's accumulation. We cannot have every day like 1 a.m. candle do the job for us.
Yeah, it makes sense. I think it's still coming down. It's just actually
Definitely, if you
heading
zoom
towards.
out, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, I'm looking at the cues, and the cues are like they're just accumulating. Um, we could come good and kiss 667 before we drop, but we're like all the EMAs are curled up and they're hanging out right where price hanging out with price right now, like having tea.
yep,
And before you know it, it could just be like, you know what, tea party's over. And then
yeah. Institutions are getting a bit worried because retailers power is overtaking the market. I mean, yeah, I don't know about that. Power is overtaking the market. Could be, but uh, I don't know. Looking at the price action, this looks to me like uh, retail versus retailer. I mean, retail trader versus retail trader. Uh,
I mean, I would say they're getting jealous, right? Because
yeah,
you're,
yeah,
if you're a hedge fund, you have to do so many things before you take a position. Once you take a
yeah,
position, you got to hold a position for, so ever long. For the most part, I mean, there's emergencies and black swans and all that good stuff. And, I'm pretty sure a black swan is like a contingency that they can get out of the trade earlier than expected. So, it makes you think like, would hedge funds come together and create a black swan to get out of a trade and they really want it out? But who knows? Who knows? There's so many. It's a rabbit hole. But retail, we can just do whatever we want whenever we want.
yeah. Only thing we have to do is make ourselves a good tea or cup of coffee, and we are ready.
A tea or a cup of coffee, man. Here we.
Mhm.
Look, I'm tired of
Just
seeing these 500s, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
yep, yep. I agree. Help friend Randall here. He says he's long on trader weight. Now I see some freaking chessy thing over on the price column. I have
Let
no idea what you're talking about, my friend. I'm so sorry.
me see.
I really don't know because I haven't traded on trader weight really. So
Cheesy thing over on the price column. Christ help me. On Trade of Eight, Trade of Eight, Trade of Eight. He sees a cheesy thing.
cheesy or chessy? Chessy. I don't know, bro.
It's cheesy.
Cheesy. My bad then.
Oh shit! What's going on here?
Mm. 520 wasn't on my bingo card, to be honest, but somebody's gonna say bingo.
By the
S-
way,
3 more minutes.
easy. I opened the long and can see it. Simple. Oh man, I'm so sorry.
Do you guys think we get one of those huge nasty candles that just wipes out all the last three to the downside?
No, not
Oh,
right now.
that's not what I wanted to hear, Nick,
Look at
bro.
the five. Look at the five. Look at the five. Look at the five.
Be more supportive.
Yeah,
Man.
We said it
I
was
mean,
the 520s, so it's listening, it's watching, it's waiting. So are we breaking the trend line? Is that what's happening
but
right?
wait, we called you. You said earlier 800s, right? So why don't we think it could go up? And then if we zoom out on 15, if we zoom out on 30, this could be like just bear flag in the making still. Zoom out to 1 hour. This might have a more upside here locally. Look at the 4 hours. Previous 4 hour candle was bullish, and we are closing this candle in 17 minutes. 4 hour candle, and last candle was big bullish one. This is somewhat of a doji, like indecisive candle. Next candle could be green. Next 4 hour candle. We are at the zone, and we had a massive move down last couple of days. We bounced, we touched a bunch of key levels that we had on the chart, so it's time to cool off, maybe. And it's Thursday already, so huh, I don't know, man.
Well, not cool. Not a cool time to cool off. Well, I have 7 contracts, bro.
Oh man.
And
That
let's see.
520. Let's see if 520 is the if it closes under the 14 SMA, there's still hope. We got 1 minute. Let's see.
Are you still in shorts, or what are you doing, guys?
Yeah, I'm still.
Yeah, this
I'm,
is playing. I got stopped out a long time ago.
Hmm.
I haven't. I'm looking at. You know how you just mentioned that the 4 hour closes in 15 minutes, and that's scary.
Uh,
I mean, you zoomed out all the way to 4. Eventually, all the other time frames, higher time frames. I mean, I see it's bearish, but by the time that happens, my camera will be blown.
All right, it's official. We're headed towards the 27,900s now. We broke the trend line.
well, let's wait for the close on 5 minutes. It's 5 seconds. And yep, we closed above the trend line.
Yup. It's getting ugly. It's getting ugly for the sellers now. That was a good fake out though, because they
It
broke
was,
for the bear flag and then
yeah.
it just was such a good little fake out. They got me. They got me with that chop. That was
Uh,
very
They
good.
got
Very good. I'm not gonna lie. They're showing their talent. And now we're headed back for 27,800. I was talking about longs when we came on the stream, and they put me in the shorts.
True story,
Gave
bro.
what I asked for, right? Meanwhile, if you scalp as hard as Nick, then it doesn't matter because
Bro, yesterday I was scalping hard. Today I took what, 4 trades? That's it.
that's it, and that's all.
Lost two, won two, made my money. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like 5 trades. Lost two, won one, made money, then lost money, and then made back, and that's it. Something like that.
So see what it does. I don't know. We got 15 minutes to be the best spectators.
Field. Well, it says position
everything, bro.
orders that I had 25. Then maybe I took more trades, but only a couple. Yesterday I was really scalping hard.
Well, I took a bad beat on him, bro, for being a patient guy, like Nick says, man. Instead of doing what I do, man. You gotta remove that tag off me, bro. I'm not gonna be no patient no more. Fuck the
Yeah,
patient
yeah.
guy.
Carlos is the patient guy. You got the cup of patience. It's
I
like
had $200. I never even put them in my pocket, bro. And look,
yeah.
man, fuck, piece of shit.
I'm done. I'll catch you guys. Fuck, thank you.
Yep, yep.
Yeah.
So
No, bro. No, bro.
we'll tell NQ that you'll be back for your revenge.
Well, fucking be back with double the contract, bro. Yeah, yeah,
That's
yeah.
spirit.
I'm gonna clack out. I'll catch you guys tomorrow,
Okay,
bro.
bro. Have
Take
a
care,
good
bro.
rest, bro.
Later.
Later. Ah, right in the middle of the 50 minutes range, roll the dice, flip the coin, yeah, something like that.
Mm. Crazy.
Oh,
Yeah, we broke this damn trend line. So if we retest it, I would love to go. But it looks like buyers are getting really aggressive down here. We can't touch the 20s without the takeoff. Okay. So you know what? I'm gonna let you do your thing. I'm getting in there. Boom. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna show me any sort of respect here. I'm going. The trend is my friend. That's what I hear in the streets. So we're gonna see how friendly it is. Oh, stop me the fuck out. The trend is not as friendly as they say. That wasn't a good idea. Let's size down quite a bit. Quite a bit. We don't need a lot. We just need to retest the trend line. Could be there. I'll take that. We just tapped into that liquidity up there. Okay. I swear, if it turns into a short, it's going to be the most outrageous rage bait. Could be, though. Wow, you know what's funny? Because right when we got in this zone, I was like, if you look left, it took about an hour for the breakout to happen. And we're on that one candle that would make it right before the hour. So I think we'll find out in the next 10 minutes whether this is a short or a long.
yep.
Man, what a trading session.
Yeah. Interesting one, huh?
It's just they caught us on a time where they wanted to chop. Sometimes we catch the breakout on our sessions. Sometimes we catch chop. So
Yep. Yep.
it's just the way it is, man. Glad your trading went good though. At least you represented for the team.
It was good. This one was good. I still have, yeah. Yeah, I don't feel like trading right now anymore, but
Yeah.
maybe. Let's see what will happen now.
Okay, here come the 80s. Almost there at the 80s. There we go. A little lower. Here you go, a little lower. There you go. Okay. I'm long at 84.
This might have been a good call. I'm following you. At 91.
Not bad.
And what is your target? I'm aiming just for like middle of the previous 5 minute candle wick to
Okay,
the upside.
not bad.
Like $500, 500 five contracts.
Yeah.
But I'm about to get stopped, bro. It seems.
Mhm. Possibly.
Yeah, and this 5 minute is giving me a trigger wave. This might be the short too, you know. I wanted to say it, but I was like, you know what? Let's see. But this might be the short. It's
Mm-mm.
not well in 5 minutes, but we are struggling.
And we're struggling.
I mean, if you look at the price action, this market structure, this can be a breakout retest continuation higher or just a fake out and we go down. Let's see.
Exactly. Yeah. So I'm just sticking with my. I mean, it's a
Yeah,
very confusing situation. You have
yeah,
evidence that can go either way, but
yeah.
I was banking on the breakout retest because we broke the trend line. So that's
Mm-hmm,
the most
mm-hmm,
recent evidence
mm-hmm.
tells us that.
Makes sense. No, no, it's makes sense. Only thing, the price action this session
Yeah.
does not make sense, right?
Exactly.
So
Today is
I
like
wouldn't be
choppy
surprised if
out.
this was a fake out and we come, especially when I see this trigger wave on the 5 minutes. Oh, crazy driving saga continues today. I see. Huh? Um. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see.
Oh, okay.
Uh, I'm stopped out.
Isn't that some shit? Okay.
But this is the 14 SMA, so let's see. But look, 5 minutes until the 1 hour candle and 4 hour candle close. It doesn't look too good if I'm honest.
Yeah.
15
Yeah.
minutes, 15 minutes also does not look very good right now.
Oh my goodness. Here we go. Here we go again. Let's go. Let's go. Wherever you want to go, just go there. Just call it. Do your worst, NQ. Do your worst. Get out of my pocket. What are we at? 54. So, okay. 1 minute until the 5 minute candle close. Let me look at the 5 minute. Let's move around some time frames. Oh, that's ugly. Yeah.
Okay,
Oh, the
okay.
5 minute looks
There we go.
ugly. 5 minute looks
There we go. There we go. There we go. I managed to get short, but right now I'm not doing it for the profit, just to make the loss back.
Mm-hmm.
Almost got there, almost. But wait, we rejected 520s, bro. 530s, actually 540. And 20s we lost, so 80s are the next. We lost the 80s. What are we going to 420s now?
Mm,
Are we going all the way down?
very possible.
Hmm. Hmm.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, okay. I just took a little win there because this candle on the 5 minute had no upper wick. So
Okay.
taking that, it just might fix itself and then continue on down. Okay, so this could be the short right here.
And it would be the long too, bro. I'm now getting stuck from the short. Yep. Wow. Okay. Okay.
Yep, 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 yep. Who knows? This is a really choppy session. So,
You know what? I'm gonna go long.
oh,
This will be the long. This will be the long. I just don't have much to risk here
yeah,
before the daily loss is hit. This is the long.
Yeah, because if you look, we retested the trend line pretty well.
Yep. Yep. That too. Yeah.
Oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do in Q for you? Mm,
Well, I might have been wrong with the long.
it's a lot of chop. The MACD says it's
Hmm.
MACD says we're offsides. We shouldn't be
Huh.
coming down.
Huh.
MACD doesn't really mean shit unless you see something else though. But I do like that
Uh,
we retested that trend. I mean, but let me look
yeah, but this changed very quickly.
everything.
This changed very
The
quickly.
value profile says that we should go up to what I originally said earlier in the stream.
Yep.
I learned two things today: don't trade chop, and I'm always right about where the price is going. Just
Yep. Just timing.
so, but I obviously didn't learn my lesson on the first lesson of not trading chop because here I am. But rule number two: I'm always right. I'm not wrong. I was just mistaken. So
Yeah. Oh, Garfield the cat. I'm never wrong, but no, I'm not. I'm not always right, but I'm never wrong.
that's the good one.
Uh,
I gotta
I
start saying
got,
that on the first date.
but I went, I went long at 78.50, 478.50. This is also 5 minute 14 SMA, and again aiming just the beginning of the week, like 527 is my TP.
Okay,
Oh,
cool.
that's 50 points. Okay,
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm long with you. So we're going long.
and we are closing in a minute. The hourly 4 hour candle, 5 minute candle, everything. So do we want to maybe close this? No, I think we might see a push here and then we'll see. If we not, if we don't see that, that's also fine. Come on, just give me a push now. I will go out early if needed, but let's push.
Yeah, it came right to our entry and then pushed again. Oh, come on.
Um, yep,
What
let's
will
see.
it do? What will it do?
Yeah,
The buyers are defending it. The buyers are defending the area. So yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Come on. Are we? Better we?
uh,
Looks like we're
we
doing
have.
a flag now.
Oh, this looks like a bull flag and bear flag at the same time on 30 seconds.
Oh yeah.
I just missed my opportunity to close it green or zero. I'm a little bit red here. Come on. Now we are green. If I close it and it push, I will feel stupid. If it comes back down, I will feel stupid. Tricky thing. Tricky thing here. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm stopped out. I'm stopped out. And
I'm
what
in at
what
75.
uh,
I'm in
what I
at
want to do?
75, so we're gonna see. It needs to get to 65 to stop me out.
I went back in.
All
I
right,
went back in.
let's go. What will it do? Break out of those 80s. I want to see the 20s. I think we're gonna see the 20s, bro.
Yeah, but 420s, I think. I just wanted to say, let's see. I'm long, but I don't have a.
Yeah, the
I
what 20s, right? Are we gonna see the 420s or the 520s?
yeah,
That's a good one.
420s. Yeah, I have a feeling 420s. Although I would love that we see a push now because I'm long, right? So, but if I'm completely honest, this should have gone already.
Yep.
This should have been in 500s already. So we are taking too much time here.
Accumulation, maybe. Look at the volume.
Maybe it could be. Yeah, it could be. It could be. It could be.
The volume is picking. I mean, I'm just being positive, but I don't know if
Yeah.
it's working.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's
There
see.
we go. There we go. Continue. Close it here. 3, 2, 1. And bro, it closed red. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Mm,
Not the 1 minute. Let's see what will happen next. Okay, okay. All right. Yeah. I mean, we've had this excitement over and over again, haven't we? So
yeah. Yeah.
it's
We
just
sure did.
we just got to break out to the upside. To the upside. Can we go back to 580 real quick? My TP is at 575.
Okay. 575. Okay, I have 546. But I'm so tempted to close it here at break even, bro. I don't want to, I don't want to
Add to
lose
the
it.
losses, right? Yeah.
Like, come on. Here we go. Continue, please. You're allowed to continue, NQ. We are not
You
holding
are
you back.
allowed. We give you utter complete permission to make our last trade super green.
Nope. Nope. Um, I'm out. I don't care. I'm out. I lost, I don't know, 20, 40, 50 bucks. I don't even know. 50 bucks. Um, so yeah, I will wait. If we break out, I will go in. If we break down, I will go in. But uh, this 15, 30 seconds is just nasty. And
Yeah,
that's usually, yeah, okay, this is accumulation, but lagging accumulation. So,
it's ugly, but you got to ask yourself what is holding up, and
mhm.
we're closing above the 14 SMA on the 5 minute.
Yeah, we sure do.
Let's
Yeah.
3 minute. 3 minute, we're closing above my entry. Okay, I see a lot of the wicks below us, which is
There you go.
but it looks like a bear flag though.
It looks like both.
Yeah, it's
It looks
crazy. It
like
looks like a
both.
head and shoulders. Looks like a head and shoulders. I think I'm with you. I need to get out of this. I'm gonna
We
take
can
the
always go back in.
yeah, I'm taking the green.
I almost went back in and see, this is it. And now let's see if it's gonna be a fake out and will it come down or will we continue?
I don't know. Was it waiting for both of us to get out? Because as soon as I got out, boom, okay.
Yep,
I'm ready.
yep, yep.
But it
I see.
looks like a short, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It really does
Yeah.
right now. But it just looked
Well,
like
I'm short. No, but that was impulsive reaction. No, no, no. Okay, okay. Tricky
we broke
session today. A little bit tricky session.
a little bit. Yeah, this is man. Listen, to trick me, you gotta come on, like crazy work. I'm not new to this. I'm
Nope.
true to this.
This
That
is just the
counts.
proof that we shouldn't be trading every day the same way.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. You gotta adjust to the tempo because this is different. This is different. I'm close to blowing 2 accounts, and but I didn't blow them. Slowed down, fell back. Yeah, we're going to the 520s. It looks like
Looks like it. Looks like it.
right after
But
it
without
scared
me.
us out.
But without me. Shall I take another trade on?
Wow, look at
Here.
that.
Fake out, and down, huh?
It's so crazy. What are we seeing on the cues? We're seeing the volume build up. We're right. See, like we've been consolidating here for a minute. It's like I want to go with my original thesis that we're going way up right now, but
It's difficult to stay in that mindset with this price action. If you zoom out, then yes. But on these scalping time frames, it's just
yeah,
super
it's
tricky.
tough. It's tough. It looks like a bear flag. So why would I remain long? It's crazy. Looks like a bear flag, but we broke the trend line. Yeah, it's a no trade for me. I don't like it. We're gonna have to wake up and see what happened.
Yeah.
Because this isn't it. Man, okay. 520 it is. I feel like I flipped a coin and I called heads or tails while it was in the air.
Yeah.
That's crazy that it went up there. All right, how many contracts you got, bro? You sound like you're in a trade.
No, I almost went in, but I'm going with 10.
All right, yeah.
Sized down a little bit.
Okay, not too bad.
um, um, but yeah, I don't know. I wanted to go short and we push now. I want to go long, but again, not smart. This can be a breakout retest again. Whoa. You don't have a permission to be in my flight zone, or how do you say, airspace. Bro, these bugs are crazy, like the huge green one. Sounds like a helicopter. Okay, this is a long now. This is a long now, in my humble opinion. Nope. Imagine. Thank God I did not go in.
Yep, it just dropped 10 points. It's
I will,
dropped.
I will stop calling it out because this is definitely chop. I want to see a clear move up or down or whatever, but this is
Right.
not tradable really.
Yeah, this is trying to trade this and guessing what's gonna like. You got to ask yourself if this was your last trade on a funded account, which in this case it would be for me. Would you
No,
would you
full
trade this
stop.
session or wait for better market conditions? Absolutely. I'm waiting for better market conditions. Yeah, this is. I mean, what kind of pattern is this, bro? This isn't a flag. It's nothing. There's no pattern. There's no trend. It's just stuck in the zone where there's a lot of volume accumulating.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I think it's accumulating for a big move up. In fact, I'm pretty confident it's accumulating for a big move up. But that doesn't mean it can't come down first.
Exactly. I fired up a
Oh
short at
God.
82. Let's go.
Okay. We broke it.
I just cannot allow myself a pump.
Wow,
So
bro. Look at that.
400. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna take my 400. That's it. I'm done. I'm really done. Done now.
He's really done. Are you
50,
really done?
1500 on the funded. It's enough.
Yeah, man. That's
It's enough. I hit one daily loss, 1500 profit. That's okay.
very good. Very
Very
good, sir.
good. Very
I
good.
like it. You traded chop successfully. I think you should
Almost successfully. I mean, it was not successful. So all good. Yeah.
made it out alive, so that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll call it. We'll call the stream. Let's
Mm-hmm.
do the outro. I appreciate y'all, but as always, thank you guys for coming out. Thank you guys for your support, showing up, trading with us, uh, engaging with us in the comments, all those things. Today was a choppy session, but still somehow Nick came out green. I did not. I'm on the verge of blowing a few accounts. I decided to sit on the sidelines because that's the behavior I should be exhibiting after such actions have occurred. So, but tomorrow's a new day and we live to trade another day because we didn't blow any accounts today. So,
Yep. Yep.
that being said, we appreciate y'all for coming out. Definitely check us out on stream tomorrow. We got what, 2 days left, or tomorrow's the last day of the week for us, right?
Tomorrow is the last day. Yes, sir.
So come check us out tomorrow. Um, if you guys have any suggestions on how we should do things, definitely do so. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with someone who's new to trading. Whether they like the TA or the someone to trade with live, they have all of that here at the Price of Patience. So We really appreciate y'all. And without further ado, want to let them know something, Nick?
Yes, sir. Everything that Donovan said. Plus, remember, the price of patience is always less than the price of regret. That being said, have a good one, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, Mike Audio's already muted on this particular scene, right?
Okay.
So that's cool. So we can kind of.
Let's go. It's working, bro. It's working.
Uh-oh.
It's working.